don't know how to hold this right. You show me love without the lines. No forever, no poetry. I was raised on empty praise, pretty words that never stayed. So I learned to drink in the sound, not the truth beneath the ground. Now you move in quieter ways, and it shakes me more than it saves. I cope about you, I write about you, turn chaos into sound, so it doesn't take me down. My mind runs, fills the space, writes endings you never say. I reach for things that numb the noise, old habits dressed up as a choice. But something in me's changing form, like I'm being pulled through a storm. I cope about you, I write about you, turn chaos into sound, so it doesn't take me down. Maybe this is my repair, learning I am worthy there, not in words that disappear, but in something staying here. I cope about you, I write about you,